is suppressed anger. They can't talk about it, they just hold it in. It's anger at somebody or something, and you can't hold emotions inside of you. When you start holding emotions inside of you, it begins to eat away, and you become sick. You don't want to let it get to that point. So a lot of the things I found the same thing over and over, causing different types of disease, just like OT was saying. Certain parts of the body are affected in different ways. But if we can find out why are they angry, people carry so much garbage and baggage around with them that they need to get rid of. And that's part of what I do. I spend a lot of time with each client, and a lot of it is talking to them, finding out, about them, what's going on in their life. And it doesn't take much for them to start turning me into Mother Confessor. I can spend a couple of hours just letting them tell